As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two Weber Grills, the Q1000 B00FDOONEC and the Spirit E-425 B0DPH7CNRG. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I know those. The Q1000 is that portable one, right?
Yep, exactly. It's smaller, weighs about 27.5 pounds. The Spirit E-425 is a beast at 102.5 pounds. Definitely not moving that one around easily.
Huge difference. So portability is a big factor then?
It could be. I'm thinking about taking one camping, but I want one that is big enough to cook several burgers.
Well, the Q1000 only has 189 square inches of cooking space, heated by one 8,500 BTU burner. The Spirit E-425 boasts 428 square inches and 4 burners putting out 19,000 BTUs.
Wow, that's a massive difference in cooking area and power. So the Spirit is way better for larger groups and getting a good sear?
Absolutely. Plus the Spirit has boost burners in the sear zone that they say crank up the heat by 40%. The Q1000 doesn't have anything like that.
Good to know. What about the grates?
Both use porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are great for heat retention and easy cleaning.
Okay, that's a plus for both. What about ignition?
The Q1000 has a simple push-button ignition. The Spirit E-425 has a snap-jet ignition system, which lets you light each burner individually with one hand.
Sounds fancy. What about extra features?
The Spirit E-425 is Weber-crafted grillware compatible, meaning you can buy separate kits to turn it into a pizza oven, wok, and more. It also has Weberwork side rails for accessories. The Q1000 is more basic.
Right, so the Spirit E-425 is more versatile, but the Q1000 is simpler and more portable. Price-wise, the Q1000 is around $229, while the Spirit E-425 is $599.
Exactly. It all comes down to what you need. Quick and easy grilling on the go or a full outdoor cooking setup.
Thanks. That really helps. I think I'm leaning towards the Q1000 for now, but maybe I'll upgrade to something like the Spirit E-425 later. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.